I have watched people manipulate the data to justify a bad operation. I've done it myself. We decide what we want first, then we manufacture the logic to support it. We convince ourselves our ambition is a tactical necessity. But when you bypass the truth to force an outcome, the victory is a trap. June 1st, 1533, the heavy doors of Westminster Abbey locked out the old world. Anne Boleyn was crowned Queen Consort of England. This was not just a change in leadership, it was a hostile takeover. King Henry VIII wanted a new wife and an heir. The established chain of command, the Pope, said no. So, Henry bypassed it. He had already started ripping the nation loose from the church, and his crowning made it irreversible. He brought England out of the European church. When the ultimate authority stood in his way, he just rewrote the standard operating procedure. He bent the theology of an entire country to secure his own personal objectives. The gold on Anne's head looked like a victory, but it was a strategic disaster fueled by pride. Henry believed a king could manipulate the divine to suit his earthly timeline. He was wrong. Proverbs chapter 14, verse 12 is absolute. There is a way that appears to be right, but in the end leads to death. When I want something really badly, my mind will manufacture the logic to justify it. We all do this. We map out a route that feels entirely right in the moment. We call it necessity. But God's architecture does not bend to our logistics. When we build the foundation on corrupted truth, the structure collapses. The discipline is submitting to the word. It is not rewriting the orders. I have faced moments where my personal objectives clashed with God's established truth. You are facing them right now. Look in the mirror. What truth are you currently twisting to justify your own ambition? What relationship, financial decision, or old grievance are you stubbornly holding on to? You are trying to convince yourself that God gave the green light. He did not. You cannot force a victory on a battlefield God has not ordained. Extreme ownership means submitting your wants to His standard, even when it costs you what you deeply desire. The shift today is absolute surrender. Find the one area where you are acting as your own commanding officer, step down, submit it back to God's standard. Join me in prayer. Father, I confess how quickly I elevate my own objectives above your truth. Forgive me for to manipulate the circumstance to serve my own timeline. Strip away my self-deception. Give me the heavy, humbling courage to follow your orders, especially when it means abandoning what I want most. Break my pride, anchor me in the reality of your word. We say these things in the name of the Son, Jesus Christ. Amen. So what unauthorized mission are you currently running? Where are you forcing an outcome? Put in the comments below. Own it. Stay grounded in the truth, and I will see you tomorrow.